All right, time to take a look at what was in the Oasis box of June 2021. Okay, so let's open the package and see what we find inside. Okay, so obviously we are planting carrots this month, and this is the organic seed pack of carrots. We have our future consideration care card that tells you how to take care of the carrots that you have actually grown. We have the shopping list and all of the activities, the game of, collecting points, doing all the activities, and you can actually check them off and add up your points in the middle and use this to participate in the contests that we have every month. The garden talk cards, which is collectibles, so your kiddos will actually cut these out while they're reading these. That are conversation starters about the topic of the month, and you can punch these and then collect them together in this. This is one of the collectibles in the box, and this is actually the topic of the month, summer garden. It talks about what is summer and when is summer coming, and all that it has to do with actually growing vegetables. There are some that love it when it's hot, and there are some that don't really like it when it's hot, and all that, and all different kinds of things that we would do in a summer garden. Then, as usual, we have our growing activity guide, which is how to plant our carrot seeds that we got in this box. This is everything you have in the box, and the usually one or two items that are actually gifts or special items in the month. 2 games at the back, and another shopping list just to have it, attached with the growing activity. What is it that you need for this growing activity? We also have an extra activity this month, which is making a bird feeder, and all the supplies for making the bird feeder, as well as the recipe for the homemade glue, is in here. You get another growing bag that you could, if you want, grow your carrot seeds in. As we do have every month, your kiddos get the special stickers of the month, which this one was summer garden stickers, as well as their mantra card. And this mantra card says, summer gardens are fun. This one says, summer gardens are full of joy, warmth, discovery, and play. And then at the back, they can collect their sticker of the month. And then they got one of these. Every new member gets one of these in their first box. And then there are pins in here that they can collect their collectible tags with all the previous collectible tags that they have. And the last item in the box would be the coloring paper. And this coloring page is all about summer fun and fun in the garden. So again, you get your tags and your stickers, your coloring paper, your growing bag, your carrot seeds, how to care for them, how to do the bird feeder as well as the supplies for it. Get the lesson card. Get the garden talk cards that are collectibles, and they have these little logos at the back. Your shopping list, your family's win card, and last but not least, oops, this is sticking on there. Okay, the growing activity guide.